Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today our group would like to present our final presentation for managing IT costs to our lecturer Dr. Farahwahida. So basically our group will like to present about free software that is natural HR, which are related to human resource system management. So firstly, I would like to stress out about the importance of human resource. Human resource remain as one of the most overlooked business function, and in many companies, employees are their most important asset and are what allows them to differentiate themselves from the competition. So a better employee, better performance, better skill and discipline actually will cause a lot of profit to the companies. So let's imagine that our human resource system is like a chess game, so that we can analyze the strategy, deploy it, and also maintain it. And we also need to, as a companies, we also need to consider about the consequences if we fail to maintain our human resource very effectively. So nowadays, human resource in each company are more likely to deploy a human resource system traditionally, which I believe it is not suitable in our era right now. So we are promoting the best strategy for this is by using a web-based system. How to utilize human resource software? So this question is actually important for us to answer, because we are promoting one of the best human resource software that is called natural human resource. So this is our software with a logo in it. So this free online web-based human resource software will be presented by my friend in the next presentation. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Stephen Sampura Eke Bunan. I will presentation about our application. Our application is Neutral HR, free online web-based human resource software. Okay, this interface of Neutral HR that all device can using, whether it tablet, smartphone, or any laptop or desktop. Okay, this is our content. First, introduction, function, further, advantage, and lastly, demo. Okay, what is a neutral HR system? Neutral HR system is a service business for an online employment management system, especially to manage remote employees who need to submit timesheet each week, where we are unable to find a reliable. Okay, this presentation about who you are using this application. So the first, with the highest using this application is education. Then secondly, technology company first. Secondly, education. Thirdly, retail and HR, human resource. So technology company the most popular using this system, because this application is free and easy to use and also easy to install. So the next function of Neutral HR. Neutral HR allow user to perform all the basic human resource function like employee contact information to emergency contact through the tracking time off, turn employee into a competitive advantage through reporting and business analytics. Okay, so for the next presentation will be my friend. He will present a video of Neutral HR. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. I'm Muhammad bin Muhammad Ismail. Today I will present about features of natural HR. Okay, first, many features of natural HR. For example, self-service, reporting, requirement, election, training, performance, time off, and time tracking. Okay. Okay, first, self-service. Self-service is a system that allow employees to maintain their own personal detail, request time off, submit timesheet, and then allow their manager to audit and approve the request without even needing to come to HR or to submit any more piece of paper. That means the employees can put their own personal detail to feedback or good thing for company, and then submit their time sheet without come to HR. The manager also can audit the detail and approve the request without come to HR and submit any piece of paper. Okay, second, next, mobile access. Mobile devices are everywhere today, and with natural HR, employees can access their information locally at any time on their mobile, tablet, or other device. Okay, that's mean today too many mobile device like smartphone, tablet. So with this device, the employees can access their information at any time and anywhere with their mobile phone, smartphone, tablet, or other device. Make it easier to access. Next, the access control. Access control means natural HR has various level of access control depending on company requirements, including employee, manager, HR requirement, and finance role, all with different permission. Okay, in access control, they have 6 level access. Okay, next I will tell about the 6 access. Okay, first is admin. Okay, admin can see all page and section and information on all employee. Perform all operation within natural HR aspect self-service as the admin account is not linked to an employee file. Recommend client use a group email account with when they sign up, for example hr@company.com, and then create a user account for the admin to allow them to administer their account. Second, human resource. Human resource account cannot access or change company information, but they can see all other page and section and information on all employees. As this access level is linked to an employee account, they can carry out self-service on their own account. Okay, third is a manager. A manager can only see information on their own employee, like those who have this person assigned as their manager in their employee information. For these employees, the manager can see and do everything, including approving requests and so on. They can perform self-service for their own account. Next, about employees. This is a restricted view where the user can only perform self-service activities for their own account, as well as provide feedback via 360 and system when a request is sent to them. They can only change address, banking, and emergency contact information. Next, about finance. This offers the same core access level as employee, but with the additional ability to run finance report under reporting module. Okay, next, recruiter. This offer the same core access level as employee, but with the additional ability to use the requirement module and run requirement reports under reporting modules. Okay, this is access level available. Okay, thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, I'm Zulfikri bin Zulkifli. I'm going to explain about the next features in this software. The next one is the social interaction. In this social interaction, it allows employees to socially recognize their peers for good work. And when the new starter comes, you can post a notification on the stream which will notify others as well as give them a chance to welcome the new starter to the company. And also, when an employee changes his or her role, the system can automatically post a notification to the stream notifying others as well as allowing congratulations to be given. So anything that has happened in the company can be known to others. For an example, in this social stream, let's say right now we have the ABC building, and some people ask where would you like to go for our next team event. Then other workers can post, can you let us know when this is placed or anything about this, when the new worker has come, then we can congratulate them. And this can make all the workers relate to each other. In addition to those called out above, Natural HR have many more features and functions which are just as important in the day-to-day operation of a human resources function, including basis. The other features are Allahu Akbar. Assalamualaikum and hi, I'm Zulfikri bin Zulkifli. I'm going to explain about the next features in this software. First is the social recognition. Assalamualaikum and hi, I'm Zulfikri bin Zulkifli. I'm going to explain about the next features in this software, which is the social interaction. In this social interaction, it allows employees to socially recognize their peers for good work. Also, when a new starter or new workers get into the company, we can post a notification on the stream which will notify others as well as give them a chance to welcome the new starter to the company. Also, when an employee changes his or her role, the system can automatically post a notification to the stream notifying others as well as allowing them to congratulate the employee. Let me show you the example. Let's say in here, in this ABC building, they have a new starter or new worker. Then they can introduce the new worker to all of the workers. Then the others can congratulate the new workers and also can give good space to the worker. So these features is very useful for the company to make all the workers relate to each other. Then the other core features, in addition to those called out above, Natural HR have many more features and functions which are just as important in the day-to-day operation of a human resources function, including basis. The first one, for the employee, it stores everything from basic employee personal details to emergency contacts as well as copies of documents, training record, performance warnings, annual reviews and many more. So all the info about the employees is stored in this software. And then the time off, it enables users to track all employee time off, including defining user own time off types. Employees can book and manage their own time off whilst manager approve the request via self-service. So they just only have to request for it, and if the manager wants to approve it, it can be done in this software. And then the training, it defines popular and common training courses, including those which are mandatory, and then make them available to your employees, whilst also being able to report on training compliance down to an employee level. And for the document, it can upload all company documents, handbooks, policies and procedures as well as individual employees documents to the software, and then make it to be available to whoever admin decides. Which, let's say if the admin wants to make the document can be viewed for all people in the company, including workers, the board of director. It can be done. And let's say if the document is confidential, so and only can be viewed to the board of directors, the admin can set it, can decide. Only the board of directors can view the documents. Recruitment is easily and quickly tracked candidates, including creating job advertisement and online application forms, which then go directly into natural HR. Then the admin can manage the interviews, costs, and so on. Reporting. Whether users simply want to use some of software pre-built reports to get an employee list, or want to build a totally new report which user can then automatically distribute to others weekly or more often, this software can allow you to do it all. The timesheet. Natural HR allows employee to either enter their timesheets like a traditional timesheet, or they can even clock in and clock out using automated systems, so there is no more paper. It all can be done in this software. And for the performance, it allows users to manage the performance and development of the workforce to ensure the right people get rewarded, whilst those who are not up to the mark can be identified easily. So if the worker is not performing well, so it can be identified easily using this software. Advantages of this software is simply can be accessed anywhere, anytime with just a web browser. If you have a tab, a mobile device, if you have a browser, it can be accessed. It's totally free with no tie-in and no contract, so you don't have to pay a cent for it. It's simple to manage and deploy with zero IT skills or cost. So it means that you don't need a very high-end skills in using a complicated software, because this software is very simple to manage and deploy. And then it's totally secure with enterprise class backup and disaster recovery. The info in this software can be backup, and let's say if something disaster is happening, let's say the laptop is broken or whatever, there are recovery for it. Okay, right now I'm going to show the software. So we can go to the software by simply going to naturalhr.com. Then you can register for free, no hassle. Then you log in. I will log in as an admin, so I can manage everything about the company, the workers, and all those stuff. So if you look in here, the menu is very easy to use. There are home menu, company, HR, employee. Okay, right now I'm going to give a demo of this software. So you only have to open www.naturalhr.com, www.naturalhr.com, and when you get into this website www.naturalhr.com, you only have to log in. To register is very easy, no hassle free. Just only have to sign up, and if you already signed up, you just have to log in. I will log in as an admin. After you log in, you will go to the main page. Right now we have to wait. You only need internet and a browser. Okay, this is the home page. In this home page, you can see there are many toolbars. It shows the features that we have, the function and the features we have talked before this. Right now we can see the company toolbars to audit, and to backup the file, to upload documents, and we can also put the company profile in this. The company name, the address of the company, the telephone, the fax, the website. Then we go back. Not only that, we also have the calendar. In this calendar, we can put notes. We can see, it's not that we can put notes, but we can see all the things that we have said will show up in this calendar. For employees, let's say the company get a new employee. What can be done is that the employee data can be added to the software easily. Just have to click the add button and we put the status, the works ID, the first name, the marital status, and all of the details of the workers, and it will show up as, I will show the example. This is the example of employee that has been put his info. So we can put the photo, the name, the position, the works ID, the identity card number, date of birth. We can edit the info. We can edit his photo, the documents, the notes for him, and also the goal for him. Let's say we have goal for this employee, Fikri. We can put the goal and we can see his performance. So also we can put the timesheet for in the software, the time off, like when the workers want to get a holiday from the company. It can be done in this software. Overall, this software has what it needs in a company, in the HR department, because it has all the functions that they require, all things that should be in the paper by HR workers. Now it can be seen in the software. So this software is definitely the best software for HR departments to use. So we can log out from this software. Also in this software it will show you when is the last login in this software. So if we log out, okay, I will show you what will happen if we log out. Then it will go back to the nationalhr.com. So it's very easy. If a HR worker go to work and then he or she can just only go to the front of the laptop, open his browser and put the www.nationalhr.com. So that's it from us.
So as a conclusion to our presentation, we'd like to stress out our project presentation about natural HR software, basically on focusing more on human resource software. So from our presentation, we can conclude that this software is bring more advantage for us and for the companies, which is it is free with no contracts, is secure, backup with the database at the developer server, and then the most importantly is it is easy to use with zero IT skills. So if you are interested, you can go through the website. Link is provided in this slide. And then we want to thank our dear lecturer, Dr. Farahwahida, for her support, and without her we actually can do even better than this. So thank you very much for me and representing our group, and assalamualaikum. Thank you.